Multi-vehicle collision in Henderson, Nevada on February 14, 2024. Caused by a drunk drive. No serious injuries. Collision in Florida, USA on August 20th. No one was seriously injured.
Oh my God.
Everyone is healthy after a high-speed collision on June 27th in the USA. Occurred in Columbia County, Florida on June 3rd. Hopefully everyone survived.
I started working on it, so okay. I thought it was just something. I guess
the truck is going way too fast. We'll get it.
A semi-truck was speeding and collided with a truck on June 19th in the USA. Everyone is safe. Incident on the highway in the USA on June 25th, 2024. Keeping a safe distance while driving is necessary.
Don't hit us.
what the
Jesus Christ!
From the small has been shortly after Spana's disappearance. The state police determined that
The person that into the car isn't liable.
Right. But the car manufacturer could be.
Oh. Oh. Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
Yeah, I heard the wheel squeaking.
The car's wheel just came off and this mother driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the
Dude, get video.
I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video.
Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
मर्जी करने वाला होगा लंबा रास्ता आ जाता आगे नहीं तो ज्यादा ना ट्रैक डाउन लगी नहीं बच गया यार
There lies a long shadow. Oh!
But like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white women who
Model X.
I want to sit on the back in the truck.
current loop video is now locked.
God!
Speed and red light camera in 100 meters. Speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour.
There's an accident. Just when they changed lanes. Oh, whoa! Oh my God. Oh my.
Mormon church for the big one. Those boys. Are you okay?
I just got in a wreck.
What happened? Oh my God.
I think that this is the city that they're building.
When are they gonna open it?
Your destination is on the right.
Was this plugged in?
Yeah.
Thank God. Oh my. Holy sh**. Holy. I have.
Cautious, or at any rate a highly methodical person. You like to allow for contingencies. An engineer's margin for stress and strain. You could never feel comfortable in
Лес приходит сказка, снег как чистый лист. На цветных красках купа.
Registration proof. Asshole.
Whoa, shit.
Oh shit, look at this mother.
Video protect.
You alright? Just saw that accident. Your part. Oh, what you did, saw it.
Log file.
What the?
I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Remember the one that been calling me splurge. Let me jump jump right off the curb. Make this rap fly like a bird. Niggas staring youngs by the crew type shit.
Are you trying to get back on the highway? Oh, shit.
Thank God for that part, dude.
With Syria, since Jackie Heinrich has this from the White House.
The U.S. is not spelling out consequences if Iran follows through with an expected strike in Israel. Although President Biden shared support
That's a stop
party
sign.
publicly, officials won't describe any direct communications with Iran.
Oh, what are you really?
And another one. And another one.
Well, he can do it.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
That's right.
And a third one. And a fourth one. And a fifth one. And a sixth one. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Forget that. A seventh one. And another one behind me. 8.
Let's not make us 9.
No, I'm not. Oh, man.
Why not this time, but just mine. That car's going really fast. Slow down.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Dude!
Oh my god. ¿Qué más chicos se zafan?
What the?
A collision occurred in Birmingham on March 6th, 2024. Praying for the driver's health.
93.3 FLZ.
Discovered. Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande. We can't be friends.
A side collision occurred on March 14th, 2024 in St. Petersburg due to a car stopping suddenly. No serious injuries were reported after the incident in Howard on March 26th, 2024.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at that.
The collision was caused by the driver falling asleep at the wheel. It occurred on April 8, 2024 in the USA.
نابليون اهتم بشده بالطباعه لدرجه انه اصر ان المطبعه تنقل لمصر عن طريق سفينه دي كانت سفينه القياده اللي هو بنفسه مسافر عليها.
The dash cam captured a collision in the UK on April 10th, 2024. Both drivers were safe. The incident occurred on April 22nd on a highway in Australia. No casualties were reported after the collision. The collision in Canada on August 2nd was caused by driver distraction.